Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the Sri Chandra's distance learning program. Dear students, we were learning about Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha. In our previous class, we were learning about Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha, the word and its kinds. Okay. Today we will continue it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, welcome to the Sri Chandra's distance learning program. In our last class, we were learning Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha, means the word and its kinds. Today we will continue it. Let us take a short recap of the earlier topic. What was the topic? Al-Kalimatu. What is Al-Kalimatu? Al-Kalimatu means a group of letters which give some meaning known as Al-Kalimatu, word. It has three kinds in Arabic. Number one, Al-Ismu, noun. Second, Al-Failu, verb. And third, Al-Harfu, the particle. Okay. We will take Al-Ismu, noun. Noun has four properties in Arabic. Okay, noun has four properties. First, al-wus'atu, capacity. Second, al-jinsu, gender. Third, al-adadu, number and quantity, number or quantity. Then fourth is al-i'rabu, cases. Okay, we were learning al-ismu according to the capacity. According to the capacity, the noun is divided into three. I am saying just as a rough manner. According to the capacity, the noun is divided into three. Al-alamu, name. Al-nakiratu, indefinite noun, also known as common noun. And al-marifatu, definite noun. Okay. In our last class, we take the examples of al-alam, name, like Nabilun, Nabil, and in girl's name Fatimatu we took as an example. Okay, today we will take the definition of name. What is the definition of name? The word or words by which a person can be addressed or can be referred. Okay, name means a person or a place can be referred. Now today we will proceed towards an-nakiratu. What is an-nakiratu and what is the meaning of an-nakiratu? What is the definition of an-nakiratu? And we take the examples. Okay, an-nakiratu means indefinite noun. Okay, here in the textbook, first we had learned about the al-alamu, name of the person, name of any person, like Nabilun, Saeedun, Ubaidun, or Nabil, Saeed, Ubaid, and in female names like Khatijatu, Fatimatu, and Sakinatu, etc. We took these examples. Today we will learn about the an-nakiratu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. An-nakiratu. Okay. An-nakiratu. Are you able to see the board? Or you are facing any problem? Text them. Text the host if you are facing any problem. Text it. Okay. Because many technical errors are coming. Here, an-nakiratu. An-nakiratu means indefinite noun. Indefinite noun. Okay, indefinite noun. What is the definition of an-nakiratu? The definition is it denotes any person place, animal, you may write animal also, animal or thing, or thing. Okay. It ends with, it ends with, it ends with nunation. As you know, nunation means double zabar, double zer, or double pesh. Nunation. Got it? Here, it denotes any person, place, or thing. It ends with nunation. Okay. In the nunation, we can translate a nunation. It gives the meaning. Nunation gives the meaning. It refers to nunation here. It gives the meaning. It gives the meaning of a, an, is, are, or is, are, am, or sometimes one, few, some, little, etc. It gives the meaning of these indefinite articles as well as sometimes helping verbs, or sometimes few, some, little, a few, one, like this. The translation is done in the nunation. Okay, these all translations can be done in the nunation, double fatha, double kasra, or in double zamma. Okay, it is also called as common noun. It is also called as common noun. Common noun means which is not particular. It is also called as common noun. Examples. Now we will take examples. Okay. In this way, while taking examples, we will increase the vocabulary as well. Okay. Write it down. We will send you notes. These same notes will be sent to you, but don't sit just don't sit like that. You may take it down from the board also. Okay. Listen carefully. This is a very important lesson. Here we take the examples of an-nakiratu. Okay. The first example is qalamun. Qalam. It denotes any person, place, or thing. It ends with nunation. It gives the meaning of a, and, are, is, am, etc. It also called as common noun like qalamun. Like qalamun. Qalamun means a pen. Okay. A pen. What is the plural of qalamun? The plural of qalamun is akhlamun. Okay. Akhlamun. Pens. Many pens. Okay. We will take another example. Here, daftarun. Daftarun. It means a notebook. A notebook. Daftarun. It means a notebook. What is the plural? The plural is dafatiru. Dafatiru, notebooks. Daftarun, singular, notebook. Dafatiru, notebooks. Got it? These all are common nouns. These all are indefinite noun. What is the sign of indefinite noun? The sign of indefinite noun is nunation at the end of the word. Here you see double zamma, tanweenu zammin. Okay, tanweenu zammin is the indication of indefinite noun, means common noun. It is not particular which pen we are talking about. We don't know a pen, whether it may be a blue pen, red pen, yellow pen, black pen, or any other pen. Which pen, it may be made in India, it may be made in Pakistan, it may be made in Japan, or in any other country. We are not talking about any particular pen, we are talking about a common pen. Okay, we are not defining it. Okay, that is the reason the nunation denotes indefinite noun. Okay, this nunation, double zamma, double zamma. Daftarun, a notebook. Which notebook we are talking about? Notebook of the student, notebook of the teacher, notebook of the principal, notebook of the father, notebook of mother, we don't know. Just we are talking about a notebook, that's all. It is common. It can be any notebook. Okay. Now come to next example. Example number 3. I will give more and more examples. In this way we will increase our vocabulary as well. Okay. You remember, you try to by heart the meaning. Khalamun, a pen. Daftarun, a notebook. As well as the plural of khalamun, akhlamun, pens. Dafatiru, notebooks. Okay. Now the third example we take, warahun. Warahun, a paper. A paper, the plural of warahun is awrahun. Awrahun, papers. These all are common things. These all are common things we are talking about. Got it? Next example. Now I will make you read these khalamun, daftarun. I will listen from you after 10 minutes. Okay. Warahun, then baitun. Baitun. Baitun, as you know that baitun means a house. A house. What is the plural of baitun? The plural of baitun is buyutun. Buyutun. Houses. Next example. Here babun. Babun. Babun means not father. Here babun means door, a door. And the plural of babun is abwabu. Abwabun. Abwabun means doors. Got it? Next, number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 examples. Okay. Miftahun. Miftahun. A key. Okay. The plural of miftahun is mafatihu. Mafatihu, keys. I will take some oral examples. Kitabun. Kitabun. Kitabun means what? A book. And the plural of kitabun is kutubun. Kutubun. Books. Kitabun, books. We will take example waladun. Waladun, a boy. Boy, and the plural of waladun is awladun. Awladun, one plural is there, awladun, and wildanun also. The plural of waladun is wildanun. Sometimes we use wildan, and sometimes we use awladun. Awladun is very common, but wildan is used in the Quran. Wildan, the plural of boy, wildan is used in the Quran. We can take wildan also if you want. Waladun, awladun means books, boys. Okay, next example. The common example, rajulun. Rajulun, man, a man. And the plural of rajulin is rijalun. Rijalun, men. Got it? Now, the next example, talibun. Talibun, a student. A student, okay? And the plural of talibun is talibuna or talibuna. Talibuna, three plurals will come for talibun, talibuna, tullabun and talabatun. Three plurals are come where we are taking only one, talibuna. Talibuna means students. Got it? Now, read with me in a slow and major tone. I will give you the pronunciations. An-nakiratu, indefinite noun. It denotes any person, place, animal or thing. It ends with nunation, like double zabar, double zer, double fatha, double kasra, double zamma. It gives the meaning of a, an, is, are, am, one, few, some, little, etc. It also known as common noun. Like qalamun, a pen, daftarun, a notebook. Qalamun plural is aqlamun, pens, dafatiru, notebooks. Warakhun, paper, awrakhun, papers. Baitun, a house, buyutun, houses. Babun, a door, abwabun, doors. Miftahun, a key, mafatihu, keys. Kitabun, a book, kutubun, books. Waladun, a boy, awladun, boys. Rajulun, a man, rijalun, men. Talibun, student, talibuna, students. Okay? Take it down. Now, here 1 to 140 is the timing. If you take down this, then we will proceed towards the a few more examples.